RRB Staff Nursing Midwife Mcqs 1. What is the lower portion of the heart called? Correct answer is A. Apex. 2. What is the outer layer of the heart called? Correct answer is B. Epicardium. 3. Which valve is situated between the right atrium and? Correct answer is C. Tricuspid valve. 4. Which valve is situated between the left atrium and ventricle? Correct answer is B. Mitral valve. 5. Which valves are situated in the pulmonary artery and the aorta as they leave the heart? Correct answer is C. Semilunar valve. 6. Which vessel carries oxygenated blood to the rest of the body? Correct answer is A. Aorta. 7. What is internal respiration? Correct answer is B. Gas exchange between the blood and body cells. 8. What is external respiration? Correct answer is C. Gas exchange between the alveoli and the blood. 9. Which term describes the stretchability of lung tissue? Correct answer is B. Compliance. 10. By how much does the body cells need for oxygen increase in pregnancy? Correct answer is A. 20%. 11. Which hormone causes the maturation of an immature Graafian follicle? Correct answer is B. FSH. 12. Which hormone's production by the Graafian follicle inhibits the production of FSH? Correct answer is A. Estrogen. 13. What causes ovulation to occur during the menstrual cycle? Correct answer is C. LH. 14. What hormone is produced by the corpus luteum after ovulation? Correct answer is C. Progesterone. 15. Which phase of the menstrual cycle remains fairly constant regardless of the cycle's regularity? Correct answer is C. Secretary/luteal. 16. Which of the following statements about the vagina is false? Correct answer is C. It is joined to the ovaries. 17. What type of fiber is the cervix made of? Correct answer is A. Collagenous. 18. Which two terms describe the position of the uterus? Correct answer is A. Anteverted and antiflexed. Rate this question. 19. How much does the non-pregnant uterus typically weigh? Correct answer is B. 50 g. 20. Where is oxytocin produced in the body? Correct answer is B. Posterior pituitary. 21. Which combination of hormones stimulates contractions of the uterus? Correct answer is B. Oxytocin and estrogen. 22. What is amenorrhea? Correct answer is A. Absence of monthly menstrual bleeding. Thanks for watching. Now subscribe, Mcqs Hub.